Guys, tingnan nyo naman guys. Kung di ka pa naman mainggan mag-jogging sa ganitong gandang lugar, ayawan ko na lang. Yan. Ganda ng view. Damn. So nice. The view. How wonderful it is. Yung sunset guys, tingnan nyo sa background. So nice. So nice. We will be feeling closer to God guys. Nature at its best talaga. Yan. Oh, nice. Look at that. Hindi pa ako nakakalayo pero satisfied na ako sa pag-jog ko. Kasi marami yung nakikitang beautiful na mga view. Yan. Hey guys, stay healthy. Have a great day. God bless. Look at it guys. The sunrise. Look how beautiful it is. Kung hindi ka wala naman makapajogging ng ganitong view, ewan ko lang. Nature at its best guys. Tingnan nyo na lang. Ganda. And awesome. Sunrise at its best. Yan. Guys, nice. Tingnan naman. Clear masyado yung daanan. Kasi ito yung part ng coastal road na hindi pa siya ginagamit. Block pa siya doon hanggang sa yung part na yun, paliko papuntang SM. Kaya dito marami ka nakikita ang nagja-jog. Then look at that guys. Look at the view. Yung sunrise guys. Yan. Mafe-feel mo talaga na fresh yung hangin dito kasi came from yan. Yung dagat doon banda. Fresh talaga yung hangin dito guys. Mafe-feel mo talaga yung hangin na dumadapo din sa face mo. Guys. Just enjoying the view guys. Look at that, the sunrise there. Tingnan nyo naman gaano kalinis dito guys. Mahihiya ka talagang magtapon ng basura dito kasi ang linis-linis. Yan. This is the end part of the coastal road. Ito yung mako-connect sa sa sunod Magsaysay Park. Yan dyan. Pero hindi pa na-develop. Kaya it's the end of the road but it's not the end guys. Look at that. Beautiful. Yan. Tanggal muna tayo ng natin. Kasi kakapagod mag-jogging. Shout out sa mga nandito ang jogging. Nice. That, ang daming crabs. There. Daming crabs, guys. Yan. Ayun, look at that one. It's crawling away. Yeah.